The next step, we got our mussels clean. Just put off to the side. You want to start getting a skillet that's hot, like a medium heat. You want to make sure that when you stick your bacon in there, you can hear it sizzle. Like I said originally in the dish, I usually like to use pancetta, but if you're on a budget, sometimes you got to kind of watch it. So today we just got regular like hickory smoked bacon, like thick cut. We're just gonna take it. There's different kinds that you can use. Like one of my favorite bacons, is like an apple smoke. Apple smoke is a great bacon, great flavored bacon. But this one right here, it's good, it's cheap, and they always say that pork fat equals flavor, right? So that's basically what you're trying to do right now. You're just gonna cut this up as much as you can. Make sure you got a sharp knife. Don't cut your finger. And it's also easier to cut bacon like frozen, believe it or not, because when it's like this, it's kind of a pain sometimes. So if you're going to make this dish early, ahead of time or whatever, you're going to make it, go ahead and freeze up your bacon. You can stick it in there and just chop it up, and it just works out great.